Which animal has fingerprints so similar to humans that they can confuse forensic investigators? Correct answer is koala. Which metal was once so valuable that Napoleon III reportedly reserved it for honored guests? Correct answer is aluminum. Which country has changed its capital city the most times in history? Correct answer is Kazakhstan. Which country has the greatest number of neighboring countries? Correct answer is China. Which country has the world's oldest continuously used national flag? Correct answer is Denmark. Which country has hosted the FIFA World Cup the most times? Correct answer is Mexico. Which country has the world's oldest continuously operating parliament? Correct answer is Iceland. Which bird can stay in the air for months without landing? Correct answer is common swift. Which country has the world's highest capital city? Correct answer is Bolivia. Which country has the most Nobel Prize winners? Correct answer is USA. Which animal can survive being completely frozen and later return to life? Correct answer is wood frog. Which river flows through the most national capitals? Correct answer is Danube. Which material was once more valuable than gold in ancient Rome? Correct answer is salt. Which material has the highest known natural hardness after diamond? Correct answer is lonsdaleite. Which is the only sea with no coastline? Correct answer is Sargasso Sea. Which is the deepest cave ever discovered? Correct answer is Variovkina Cave. Which country is completely surrounded by South Africa? Correct answer is Lesotho. Which river passes through the most countries? Correct answer is Danube River. Which planet has the largest volcano in the solar system? Correct answer is Mars. Which desert is the oldest in the world? Correct answer is Namib Desert. Which is the deepest lake in North America? Correct answer is Crater Lake. Which country has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Correct answer is Italy. Which country has the world's oldest continuously inhabited city? Correct answer is Syria. Which country has the most pyramids in the world? Correct answer is Sudan. Which invention was patented first? Correct answer is telephone. Which bird has the largest wingspan of any living bird? Correct answer is wandering albatross. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? Correct answer is giraffe. Which country has the highest number of islands in the world? Correct answer is Sweden. Which animal has the largest eyes of any living creature? Correct answer is colossal squid. What landmark did early European sailors have to pass to reach India by sea? Correct answer is Cape of Good Hope. Which country has the most active volcanoes in the world? Correct answer is Indonesia. Which famous mountain pass connects Europe and Asia in Turkey? Correct answer is Bosporus Strait. Which type of land is usually found in hot regions with grass and few trees? Correct answer is savanna. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? Correct answer is Canada. Which country is home to the world's largest salt flat? Correct answer is Bolivia. Which desert is the largest hot desert on Earth? Correct answer is Sahara Desert. Which sea has no natural outlet to the ocean? Correct answer is Caspian Sea. Which country has the world's largest coral reef system? Correct answer is Australia. Which country has the world's largest tropical rainforest? Correct answer is Brazil. Which country is home to the lowest point on Earth's land surface? Correct answer is Jordan. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? Correct answer is bat. Which planet has the shortest day in the solar system? Correct answer is Jupiter. Which chess piece can jump over other pieces? Correct answer is knight. Which planet has the most moons currently known? Correct answer is Saturn. Which country has the most natural lakes in the world? Correct answer is Canada. What is the only continent without an active volcano? Correct answer is Europe. Which famous structure was originally built as a temporary entrance arch? Correct answer is Eiffel Tower. Which ocean contains the deepest point on Earth? Correct answer is Pacific Ocean. Which country is home to the world's northernmost capital city? Correct answer is Iceland. Which is the only planet in our solar system that rotates clockwise? Correct answer is Venus. Which famous scientist won Nobel Prizes in 2 different scientific fields? Correct answer is Marie Curie. Which is the only vitamin that contains a metal atom? Correct answer is vitamin B12. What is the rarest naturally occurring blood type in the world? Correct answer is Rh null. Which living creature has the largest genome known to science? Correct answer is Paris japonica. Which language has the largest number of words in its dictionary? Correct answer is English. Which ocean current keeps much of Western Europe warmer than expected? Correct answer is Gulf Stream. Which country has the greatest difference between its highest and lowest natural points? Correct answer is China. Which part of the human body contains no blood vessels? Correct answer is cornea. Which language is written with the largest alphabet? Correct answer is Khmer. Which country has the highest average elevation? Correct answer is Bhutan. Which is the only continent through which all lines of longitude pass? Correct answer is Antarctica. Which country produces the most coffee in the world? Correct answer is Brazil. Which moon in the solar system is larger than the planet Mercury? Correct answer is Titan. Which country has the highest number of official languages? Correct answer is Zimbabwe. Which animal has the fastest strike in the animal kingdom? Correct answer is mantis shrimp. Which is the only U.S. state that borders just one other state? Correct answer is Maine. Which organ can continue functioning for a short time even after being removed from the body? Correct answer is heart. Which planet experiences the fastest winds in the solar system? Correct answer is Neptune. Which country is home to the world's largest cave passage? Correct answer is Vietnam. Which scientist was the first to calculate the circumference of Earth with remarkable accuracy? Correct answer is Eratosthenes. Which metal expands the most when heated? Correct answer is cesium. Which country has the world's largest mangrove forest? Correct answer is Bangladesh. Which ocean is the saltiest on average? Correct answer is Atlantic Ocean. Which element is named after a U.S. state? Correct answer is californium. Which is the only country whose flag is not rectangular or square? Correct answer is Nepal. Which mountain is the tallest from base to summit? Correct answer is Mauna Kea. Which scientist introduced the concept of the gene before DNA was discovered? Correct answer is Wilhelm Johansen. Which is the only bird known to use tools in the wild? Correct answer is New Caledonian crow. Which country has the world's largest proven natural gas reserves? Correct answer is Russia. Which planet has the longest year? Correct answer is Neptune. Which country has the largest area of tropical rainforest after Brazil? Correct answer is Democratic Republic of the Congo. Which invention was first used centuries before it became common on land? Correct answer is flamethrower. Which mammal has the longest gestation period? Correct answer is African elephant.